Hi, my name is Marcus and I love working for Lifestyle Home Products. I started working in the factory in the shipping department in 2011, and from there I worked myself through the factory and into our sales team. I started selling for Lifestyle Home Products windows and doors in 2013, and since then in 2018 I became the sales manager for Lifestyle Home Products. I love my job at Lifestyles because I get to interact with a great team every single day. We get to meet new people, we're out in the public, and we have a great brand to support us. I choose this career path simply because I enjoy working with people. I have a sports background myself, so I enjoy working in a team. At Lifestyles, we have a very big team environment here. Every department works together to obviously please the customer at the end goal. My name is Marcus and I love my job.
If you or someone you know is looking for employment, apply today at lifestyleproducts.ca.